my name is Hiwi and welcome to another Alpha Impact Guide. So for this episode, I'm going to teach you guys how to get Matic on Binance itself. So I understand that this is a very difficult process for a lot of people, but I'm going to teach you guys from head to toe how to get Matic on Binance itself. So if you do want to learn how to get Matic on other sites such as FTX or swapping your tokens on MetaMask, you can find the videos on the description below. I'll link them all below. So let's go! Okay, now that we're on the website, the first thing you need to do is log into your Binance account. So after you logged into your Binance account, you just need to go to Markets. So after Markets, you just need to scroll down, search coin name, you just need to type in Matic, and you can see here it's Matic Polygon, and click on this. So as you can see, this is Matic BUSD. So we are going to use BUSD to get Matic on Binance. So if you don't have BUSD, I'll leave a link on the description below on how you can get BUSD before you can buy Matic on Binance itself. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. So firstly, you need to ensure that this is a market order. So market order is when you purchase a coin at its current price. So because this clears immediately, so we're just gonna use this, okay? So for Matic, I'm just gonna put 20 Matic. So I will just click buy Matic. And then you can see that my order is created and my order has been filled. So to check whether your order is filled, you can always just go to your wallet and click Fiat and Spot. So this is where you deposit and withdraw. Okay, so now that we have bought our Matic, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw your Matic on Binance to your MetaMask site itself. So firstly, all you need to do is click on your MetaMask first. Okay, so first things first, you need to make sure that your site is connected. So if it's not, you click the three dots here, you click connected site. After that, just click manually connect current site. And then you just click next and then you click connect. So that is how you connect your site to Binance itself. So do make sure that your network is on Polygon, and then after that you can just click here to copy your MetaMask wallet address. Okay, so all you have to do is click withdraw at the Matic bar, and then you can see here the coin is Matic and then the address. So you have to whitelist your address book in order to send your Matic over to your MetaMask wallet. I'll put a link below on a guide on how you can whitelist your address books. But this depends on the security settings that your Binance account has. And I'm just gonna put 20 Matic. That's the amount of Matic that I bought just now. And you can see that I received the amount 19.9 Matic because 0.1 Matic network fee is included. You can see that the withdrawal fees are returned to Binance deposit addresses and the fee will be returned to withdraw account. Okay, so after you check that everything is correct, you just click withdraw and then click continue. Okay, so after that, I'm successful. So I'm just gonna click withdraw. I'm just gonna click continue. And after that, email verification code, I'm just gonna click get code. So this is approved and I'm gonna click complete. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see that my recent withdrawal is processing, and as it said, it will take about 12 hours to process. So I'll put a screenshot right here to show you that my Matic has been withdrawn into my MetaMask wallet. And do note that your wallet address must be correct and your network must be correct. If not, you'll be sent to other networks or you'll be sent to other wallets and you can't get the money back. So any loss in the money or in your tokens, you can't get it back if you send it to the wrong wallet address. So that's it. That's the end of the video, and I hope you have learned how to buy Matic from Binance as well as how to withdraw your Matic from your Binance account into your MetaMask wallet. So that's it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!